Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys something really fleeky, very simple. This is a makeup look for minimalistic people. If you are living in very hot weather or if it's hot climate, I'm gonna show you guys how to create this quick base and also this sleek low bun for all my girls who like things to be simple and don't want the drama. Y'all don't want anything extra. This is definitely for you, so keep on watching if you guys want to see how I created this face and this hairstyle, guys. It's fleeky, I know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we get started, and also go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. All right, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so we all see how my start out crusty and everything like that. The heat has not been kind to me, so my hair is dry, my skin is dry, and that is definitely a no-no. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do to begin with is go in with something for the brows. We're just going to define the brows a little bit, nothing too dramatic, just mainly toward the tail of the brow. Brush that through, and also we're gonna of course have to clean up with some concealer because we still want those brows to pop. Even though we're not going to be going for any eyeshadow because we ain't got time for them someday, we still want the brows to stand out. And I'm also going to put some of that concealer on my lid as a primer also, just so that around the eyes everything is even and you know you have a bright look around your eyes. Next, I'm going to set all that eye work, everything I placed on my lid. I'm going to set that with some powder so that it doesn't crease or get greasy. And then I'm going to line my eyes and apply some lashes. Now, this part is optional, but I find that it makes your eyes stand out, especially since you're not going to be wearing any eyeshadow. You know, it comes in handy. And I'm using these mink lashes from Stacey Ann's Cosmetics. I'm going to have the link down below. If you guys are looking for some nice mink lashes, these are in number 15. For primer today, which is definitely necessary, I'm going to be using the Milani Blur Stick. You guys, you're going to need a primer for this technique. I don't think it really matters what kind of primer you use, as long as you have something to act as a base, because we won't really be using any foundation or, you know, you guys will see. Just make sure you blend that into your skin properly. And today I'm going to be putting this powder all over my face, just a powder that is my exact shade, and this is what is going to act as my foundation today, just to even out the skin and give you something nice and matte without the cake. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that everywhere, and you guys can see that difference. You guys see that everything just gets so flawless. For highlight, I'm going to be doing this Black Opal Deluxe finishing powder in medium, and you guys see that? No concealer, sis. Okay, powders only. And this is actually going to be an updated version of my powder only routine. If you guys have not seen that yet, I will definitely link it on the screen and down below. Basically, in that video I use powders to do my entire face. This is just the updated version of that, so if you guys haven't seen it yet, again, the link will be down below in the description. Alright, so I'm just dusting that out to smooth everything out, and then I'm going to move on to contour, and I'm just contouring my face with a darker powder. Anything 2 to 3 shades darker than your actual skin tone will be fine. And I'm of course using Earth Glow by Milani. You guys, it's very subtle, but you can see the difference if you look closely. And I'm also using that powder as a little bit of a blusher, just to add some dimension to my face. Now for highlights, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I think I used Golden Bronze. I think that's the name of the shade. This step, very important. It gives you that life back into your face. Like when everything is so even, the glow just adds light back into your face. You need that. So I line my lips with just a brown lip liner. The lip option is totally up to you guys. I like going for a nude natural lip, so I'm using Matte Naked from Milani Cosmetics, and I'm gonna actually top that off with a nude gloss, which is Cassie from SNS Cosmetics, and the link for this will also be down below, guys. So I'm keeping everything minimal, and I'm gonna set my face with the Milani setting spray in the Make It Dewy, Make It Last line. Yeah, this is the Make It Dewy one. I'm going to just set my face with that, and then I'm gonna move on to my hair. Now I wanna see this. I don't know what is going on my head, but it's very dry, guys. Like it's really dry. So I'm just gonna make sure it's detangled, all that heat damage. And I have new growth at the front. You guys can see. It's just a disaster. Okay, so we want it to be protected, but nothing that's gonna take all day. I'm just gonna create my part and comb the hair down to fall away from my part. And then using my Morphos Ashan Ultra Hair Wax, I'm gonna sleek the hair down around my parting, just like basically around the perimeter of my hair, and brush that in. You guys can go ahead and use your Eco Stylers, your jams, whatever you guys use is fine, but this is the only thing that gets it so sleek for me this quickly. Eco Styler could never do that. You guys see how straight that is? So sleek. I'm also going to use some of it on my edges just to create like a little bit of baby hair action. Something this sleek, you definitely need some edges. Like you can't just have it like going back like that. That's not gonna look right, especially if you have like no edges. Guys, this quick trick I want to show you guys, and this is something that I do especially for my Instagram pictures. I just like to pull my top off my shoulders and apply some highlighter to my shoulders. It adds a really nice glow and it makes your skin just look so healthy, and you know, yeah. So this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. It is something just so freaking simple and quick, guys. The hair, the makeup, everything like that. If you guys want to try this, I would say the hair and makeup and everything will take you like 15 minutes in the morning tops. Like so simple, and you don't need a lot of products. So I hope you guys do try to recreate it. If you do, please tag me on Instagram. I'm at NaturallyMsToya on everything. My social media will be down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and also smash that subscribe button right there. Click it. All right, thanks for watching. Mwah. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.